In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence page in Jira, a quick and insightful Jira tutorial that will enhance your project management efficiency. Whether you're looking to link documentation directly to a singular task or need a dedicated space for broader project details, creating a Confluence page can be a powerful way to organize your information. Let's dive into two straightforward methods to achieve this. First, let's explore how to create a Confluence page directly from a Jira issue. Begin by pinpointing the specific Jira issue or work item for which you'd like to establish a linked Confluence page. Imagine you're working on a detailed task and need accompanying notes or a collaborative space. This method is perfect for that scenario. Once you've selected the issue, look for the Add Content button. This option is usually located within the Jira issue interface. Clicking it will bring up a menu, and from this drop-down, simply select New Confluence Page. This action automatically generates a new Confluence page and links it right back to the Jira work item, making the connection seamless and efficient. Now that your page is created, you can go ahead and tailor it to your needs. You have the flexibility to enrich this page with relevant information, whether that's text, tables, or images. This is your space to enhance the context around your task, so feel free to customize it with as much or as little detail as you require. When you're satisfied with your content, navigate to the top right corner and click on Publish. You'll see an option to select where you'd like this Confluence page to reside. Choose the most suitable location, perhaps within a specific department section, and finalize the process by hitting Publish once more. It's important to place the page thoughtfully so that your team can easily access it whenever needed. Moving on to the second method, let's learn how to create a Confluence page from a Jira project. Start by navigating to your Jira project dashboard where all your work components are consolidated. Here, look towards the top menu to find the Pages tab. Clicking on this will bring you to a dedicated section for pages related to your project. On the right hand panel, you'll see the option to create a page. This is where you can begin anew with the choice of selecting a suitable Confluence template that matches your scenario or launching a blank page for a more personalized touch. Once you've chosen your template or started a fresh page, go ahead and add the content you need. This page could serve as anything from a project overview to a roadmap or even a collaborative brainstorming space. When you're ready, simply click Publish to make your work visible for collaborators and stakeholders. And there you have it, two simple and effective methods for creating Confluence pages in Jira. With these tools at your disposal, organizing and linking important information has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial useful as you continue to manage and document your projects efficiently.